It's hard to explain. It really is. There was a lot that I saw and took in. It was a rewarding experience.
We spend a lot of time in the air, and you look out the window and you don't really think much of it. Really understanding the struggles that other people are facing around the world is just such a magical thing.
Republic's really helping us to restore hope, restore dignity to so many families here. I can tell you straightforward that life is being changed, life is being transformed.
Handing out the shoes to the children at the orphanage was a moment that I'll never forget.
Since we started, this is a new structure and about 40 new homes and 2 new wells in the community that bring fresh and clean water to them. Right now, construction's underway for the school just down the hill.
Our community, our company is coming together to make a difference in many, many lives.
There's pretty much every area of the company being represented, from technology to engineering to execs, everyone, and everyone's working together on the front line.
You went from a village that was really in the middle of nowhere with no hope and nothing going on to a vibrant community.
We just have to go tell everyone, and we have to let them know what a difference they can make individually.
My hope is that they will grow up, become educated, be the future of Haiti.
The fact that Republic can actually come to Haiti, that's putting a face to compassion. That's putting a face to love. That's putting a face to hope.